This is a video on multiplying decimals by whole numbers. When we do multiplication, I usually just go the traditional way. So the first thing I want to do is just show how in our last video we did estimating to see what our answer would be close to, and that's going to help you determine if your answer that we actually get is correct. So 2.7 would round to about 3, and 6 would stay the same. So our answer should be about 18. A big misconception is having to line up the decimals. You don't have to do that when you're multiplying. It doesn't come until the end. So I just set it up like I would any other problem and multiply that bottom number by everything on top. 6 times 7 is 42. Put down the 2 and I carry that 4 tens into the other tens column. 6 times 2 is 12. 12 plus 4 is 16. So my digits are 1, 6, and 2. To know where the decimal goes, a lot of people think I drop it straight down. Do not do that. What you do is you look at how many decimals are in the problem. And right now I only see 1, even though there's 1 here that's kind of invisible. And I look at the number of digits after those. So there's 1 number here. That means I'm going to move the decimal 1 spot to the left. You can't see the decimal on 162, but it's always at the end on a whole number. So if I move it 1 to the left, that's going to equal 16.2. And 16.2 is very close to the estimate of 18. So I know my answer is probably correct. Let's go down here. This number is between 0 and 1. So I'm going to estimate it to about 0. 0 times 8 is 0. So the answer should be close to the number 0. I like to put the number that has the most digits on top. It makes it a lot easier when you multiply. 8 times 7 is 56. Carry the 5. 8 times 0 is 0. Plus 5 is 5. And 8 times 0 is 0. Okay, this number has 3 digits after the decimal, so I'm going to move it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. 0.568. It's 568 thousandths. And that's really close to my estimate of 0.